Welcome back. It is surprising but true. Jail guard Vasudev Pednekar has been shifted to the Institute of Psychiatry and Human Behavior. His family complains that his superiors were harassing Vasudev. Moreover, his family members claim that the authority has failed to pay his salary. Watch this report.
This is the story of a jail guard, Vasudev Pednekar. He is attached to the central jail at Agwada. At present, he is taking treatment at the Institute of Psychiatry and Human Behavior at Bambori. His family members claim that Vasudev has lost his mental balance due to continuous harassment by his superiors.
कामार कितें घडटा बी सांगताले तेका त्रास बी जाता
हय सतयता म्हणटाले आपल्याक जावं मारता मिरता बीन अशें सांगा त्रास करता तीग जाणां म्हणून एक चंद्रकांत हरिचंद्र म्हणून गोपाळ पाडसेकर आनी डॉक्टर गोमी म्हणून.
Vasudev is sole earner in the family. His wife claims that his salary has also not been released.
कशें कितें सांगता आमी पगाराचें नाल्यार आमी फोन करता तुका म्हणाले आनी नंबर दिला हेंच्यांनी.
पगार दिवंक
ना पगार दिवंक ना पगार आयज दिता फाल्यां येता तो कामार आसतना तेका तशें आयज दिता फाल्यां येता खरें पगार म्हटल्यार अजून 18 तारीख जाली म्हटल्यार अजून कांय दिवंक ना हेका तितून भुरगीं धाकटी.
A reporter from Bambori, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Over the years, there have been calls to revive the St.Inez nullah and restore it to its past glory. A few like-minded citizens have come together to create a master plan to revitalize what they call the Campal Creek. Goa Forgiving Trust, an NGO led by its dynamic chairman Armand Gonsalves, has unveiled an ambitious master plan for the revitalization of the Campal Creek. A group of civil society members have come together and have come out with a comprehensive landscape architectural design master plan for the creek.
As you might have noticed, we have already, as a civil society, rechristened the St.Inez nullah as the Campal Creek, which it is. It's not a nullah, it's a creek. When I was a young boy, we used to go fishing there. And the reason I'm making these statements is for people to realize that there's so much hope in that area. It's about waterway management. Goa is full of waters. We are starting with a small creek in Campal, which can change the way Panjim sees itself. Tourism through that area. We always talk of beaches. We talk of the fronts like Miramar. We talk of Kolwa. We talk of Kalangut. You have great opportunity for tourism in the creek itself. There's a possibility of fishing. There's a possibility of so many things out there.
The group has now pinned their hopes on the new government so that the project can be taken up on a public-private partnership. They will soon submit their plan to the government. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Shishant Paul. The newly elected Civil Supply Minister Dayanand Mandrekar has assured to look into the problems faced by the fair price shop owners. Owners claim that they hardly earn any profit from the business. It seems difficult for them to sustain the business. Fair price shop owners in Pedne Taluka Shetkari Society had a meeting with the Civil Supply Minister Dayanand Mandrekar in Pedne. They shared their grievances with him. They complained that they hardly earn any profit from the fair price shop business.
तांदूळ एका टनाक पडटात तेजे 2850 आणि विक्री करून जातात तेजे 3000 हेचेर फक्त फायदो कितलो फक्त 150 रुपया आणि आमका खर्च तुका सांगता हो जर तांदूळ हाडपाक आमका ट्रान्सपोर्टाक वयता 200 रुपया आमाली वयता 260 रुपया 260 आणि हे मेळटात आमका एका टनाक 150 रुपया.
जे धान्य येता तेतून एक पैसे मेळटले म्हणजे त्या कोणत्याक एक 10 रुपयाचो भाव मेळटलो म्हटल्यार ती परिस्थिती ना त्यांची जर भोवंक गेले तर ते सगळे होण तेंका जे पुरा घालतात ते आनी काय दिवपाचे लायकीची ना.
Mandrekar has assured to look into the matter.
त्याचे कितें विचार करया डायरेक्टराक घेवन बसता राव जाल्यार काय कॉल करता ते बसोन आमी हो विचार तेचे सोनाली तेचेर एक तिकाय जेन्ना पडटले ते आमी कशें करचें पेट्रोलाचो कोठा इतको डिक्रीज जावन तर बिप्यालाचो थोडो कोठा कमी जावन कांय जायना थंयच्या थंय जाल्यार करया गव्हर्मेंटाचेर खंय भार घालया नाका जितके मेळटा तेतून एडजस्ट करून खंय तरी मॅच करपाचे आमी प्रयत्न करया.
A reporter from Pedne, Vinod Methar. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.